sky. Every hand I knew was reaching past. Every word I heard moved too fast. Like I was one more face in the grind, one more number in a ledger line. Then I saw a white wing rise in the dawn. No chain, no map, nowhere it belongs. So I followed the flight of the seagull, past the break of the battered shore. Jealous of the sky it answered to, jealous of the life it wore. It could drift where the wind would take it, it could vanish into blue. And I drove my boat like a wounded man, chasing freedom I never knew. The waves got black and the wind got cool. The horizon turned to a hard ash wall, and the gull kept gliding cold and clean, while my small heart shook inside it all. Then the rocks rose up like teeth in the foam, and my hull gave way to the sea below. I fought the water, fought my fear, fought the pull that dragged me down so slow. I clawed at the mast, I screamed at the night, but the world just swallowed the fading light. So I followed the flight of the seagull, past the break of the battered shore. Jealous of the sky it answered to, jealous of the lights it wore. It could drift where the wind would take it, it could vanish into blue. And I drove my boat like a wounded man, chasing freedom I never knew. Then the panic burned out like a dying flare, and the wreckage rocked me in freezing air. I stopped asking for the road back home, stopped calling for a world that made me stone. If I'm to be lost, let the sea take my name, let the dark wash clean the weight and shame. And somewhere above that merciless wall, the white wing cry across the breaking shore. Follow the flight of the seagull, past the line where the land falls away. And the last thing I heard was a lonely cry as the night carried me from the day. No one saw me leave their harbor, no one knew how far I flew. Just a man and a bird in a hollow sea, and the gull that vanished through.